Did you know scientists once detected a sound from the ocean so loud and mysterious they thought it might be a sea monster? In 1997, NOAA's underwater microphones picked up something terrifying from the Pacific depths. It was louder than any blue whale call and traveled over 3,000 miles across the ocean floor. They called it the BLOOP. The ultra-low frequency sound registered at just 20 hertz, far below what human ears can detect. Scientists were baffled. No known marine animal could produce something this massive. Theories ran wild. Ancient sea creatures, alien submarines, even Cthulhu himself. For years, marine biologists studied the recordings, trying to solve the mystery. The sound's unique signature didn't match any biological pattern they knew. Then in 2005, they finally cracked it. The bloop wasn't from any creature at all. It was the sound of a massive iceberg breaking away from Antarctica's ice shelf. The ice movement was so enormous it created acoustic waves that traveled thousands of miles underwater. Nature's own sound system, louder than any whale song.